with 25 years plus experience in IT. I've taken courses before through HP, Microsoft, and other, I guess you could say, vendors. And I've always found the courses to be, usually they're 4 to 5 days. It's really packed in with very little time for lab time, so you really have to pay attention and stay on top of things. With NetSoft, the courses are many more hours, but they give you 2 instructors to work with, so that after you've gone through one instructor with his experience and background, you go through another instructor with their experience and background, and you get an overall good impression of how the product is supposed to work. I've taken Windows 2008 implementation, Active Directory, and other Windows 2008 courses through NetSoft, as well as Citrix installation, and have found them to be very good as far as instructors they push you to do your best, but at the same time they make it fun and they make it interesting and try to give you as much knowledge as they can from their own experiences. Really nice, fun to be with part of, and even though I feel like quote unquote the token white female in the class, they don't make me feel like that, and I find it very enjoyable.